We are moving on to the another thing. What do you mean by harvesting? Okay. All of you write the heading harvesting. Yes. Manav Madhu, are you there? Manav Madhu, can you hear me? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you heard about this word harvesting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you tell in your own words. What is this harvesting?
Ma'am, harvesting is like collecting something. If like we
Collecting
plant,
something. What are we collecting?
ma'am, when we farm something, if we farm rice, that we collect the rice, right?
Yes. Shall we? You go to the shop and you buy something and you collect it. Is that called harvesting?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So the word harvesting only we use in farming or agriculture. That is whatever you cultivated, we call cultivation. So what are the things you are planting all together? Maybe in your farm there will be animals also will be there, even plants also will be there. So in that, suppose you are collecting the eggs of the chicks. Should we say harvesting for that?
No,
No, we don't
It's
use.
only used
Correct.
for
Yeah.
it's only used for plants.
Yeah. So we use eggs are collecting or eggs are gathering. We never say that I am harvesting eggs. Okay, fine. So harvesting mainly for the plants, whatever you planted, and then it produce the fruit and seed. Once it ready, you go and cut it, clean it, and bring everything. That process we call it as harvesting. So harvesting is the process in which the things which we cultivated. Cultivation means the krishi, what you call Malayalam. It's another word, cultivation. So for that, cultivation means it can be anything. It is not only maize. It is not only the rice. It can be a vegetable. It can be fruits. Okay. So all this we call it as a harvesting. Okay. Yes. So you can write it now, the heading harvesting. What do you mean by harvesting? And harvesting, we only will collect the useful things. We never collect the non-useful, useless things. If you collect useless thing, you don't say it is harvesting. It is just only collecting. Okay, so that is the difference. Who is that making noise over there? Yeah, mute it now. Okay, so what is harvesting? It is the process. It is the process of collecting useful parts of the plant. Useful parts of the plants after farming. Or we can call it another word, cultivation. Farming and cultivation same. So it is the process of collecting useful parts of the plants after farming or cultivation. So this is known as harvesting. Example, you can write collecting rice grains. Rice grains, then started moving. On this board.
Ma'am,
You can, ma'am, I think you sensitivity.
No, nothing you say, you just keep quiet. Don't say any rubbish. Okay. Collecting rice grains. Okay. Maize. Wheat grains. Yeah. Wheat grains.
Ma'am.
Flowers. Even flowers. flowers, etc. So there is a farming. There are people who
And
live
vegetables.
by doing the farming of the flowers. Okay, so all kind of chrysanthemums, daisies,
Vegetables.
roses, plus vegetables also. So I wrote only few. So this is known as harvesting. So it can be stem, leaves, flowers, seeds. So which are the parts we collect? Okay.
Seed.
Okay. So I'm going to, I hope I'm just moving up, down, up, moving up. I hope you have written the first line. So I'm going to write below that.
Ma'am, I am writing the example.
Okay. So next, the parts which can be collected, during harvesting. The parts which can be collected during harvesting are stems. Okay, some vegetable we will use the stems. Okay, onion stem also we can make a spring onion, we cut the stems. No
And
stem.
spinach.
Yeah, spinach. One stem is enough. No need of stems. Okay. Stem,
And some plants
leaves.
we use
Yeah.
leaves.
Yes, leaves, flowers, okay, pulses and seeds. Okay, so these are the things we collect during harvesting: stem, leaves, flowers and seeds. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. In that example of harvesting, collecting rice grains, maize, wheat. Then after that, what is it?
Wheat grains. Okay. Wheat
ma'am.
grains. What does next? Flowers. Okay. Next.
Okay.
Hmm.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we tell like harvesting apples from the trees?
Yes. Harvesting apples from the trees you can.
Ma'am, can we say harvesting cabbage, harvesting cauliflower?
That is all that comes. When I say stem, leaves, flowers, pulses, all these under cabbage, all that things comes under that. Okay. Cabbage is the flower. Okay. Flower of the vegetable. So
Okay,
you can get it.
I'm also leave.
And sometimes, especially when you pluck the fruits, sometimes they may not use the word harvest. They will say plucking the apples only. But generally they think it's a harvest. It's a harvest season. Okay, it is a harvest season. So in Malayalam, what we call harvesting, koyuga. Have you heard about it? Koyuga. Okay. Sowing, we call in Malayalam videkkuva. Yeah, these are the some words we use. Okay, sowing and harvesting.
I'm finished.
Now, harvesting can be done by people and as well as the machines. Okay, next, harvesting can be done. Nowadays, we have machines to harvest the rice grains. So nowadays, we don't get the enough people. Either we have to bring the Bengalis. Malayalis rarely go for farming, correct? So other all states, all the people in that, they will continue the farming. But we Malayalis, usually they go for higher studies and they a farmer's son never want to become a farmer. Okay. Before and it is not like that. A farmer's son always going to be a farmer. Why? Because after father's death, he has to take care of the entire farms. Acres of land they will have, so they have to take. But nowadays, what they do? They will sell all that land and they will go for other businesses. So in that case, who's that? Can you just mute it? Who's? Sarah, can you mute it? Sarah, your sound. I think
Ma'am,
TV
can we
sound.
share the board?
Yeah. Others, everyone. Hridvi, I got your written paper, but your MCQ, your name is not there. Okay. So maybe you might have submitted after the timing. So it will not accept. So do one thing. You have to be ready for your MCQ test. Okay. That is on 25th date I will be given. Okay. Because MCQ we have given 10 minutes. And the teachers already, I also told that after 10 minutes, we don't accept the response. Maybe you are late. That's why your name did not come in the responses. So you have to write again. Only MCQ. Written, I got it. Okay. So that's all. Okay. So seeds harvesting can be done either by people or machines. Okay. So because of this lack of people, POPLE. Okay. Because of lack of the farmers, nowadays the farmers are very less in care.
What is after harvesting?
Oh, it is also deleted. Okay. Harvesting can be done either by people or machines. Okay. And nowadays, Kerala, we lack the people. So usually we have now devices. We have harvesting machines. Okay. So next class, I'll show you the picture of harvesting machines and all. Nowadays, we are in 21st century. No, so many things are available. We can get everything like a machine.
Like we use machines
Yes.
for sewing also.
And now you see in Bangalore, some of the schools, they have robotic teachers. So teacher, no more a teacher, but there is a robotic teacher. So robotic teacher will teach everything. But only problem, robotic teacher will only teach. He will not talk like us. He will not attend you like we human teachers do. Okay. They just like a machine. How the computer remain without any emotions, without any, without any feelings.
They will only teach.
They only stand and teach. That's all. And if you ask a doubt, they will clarify the doubt. Nothing else. They don't smile. They don't speak. Nothing else. So in Bangalore, they have a robotic teacher. At the same time, they also have another teacher to take care of the needs of. So there are two teachers in some international schools. So that means even you make what does it tell? Even you make machines and machines, but still human feelings and human emotions. You are going soft skill, no? You are learning soft skills. So that will not given by a machine. Now all of you wanted to come to the school, correct? No one wants to sit at home in front of the computer.
Yes,
You?
I am
Yes.
so good and I want to
That's
run.
wonderful. Yeah.
I
You
want
just
to
come
run
to
to
the
the school.
You have to run, you have to fight, you have to make
Play.
movies. You have to
Study.
play.
Better
See
I
the
like
teachers
to
and
talk with
friends.
my friends in person. Yeah.
See my
Yes.
friends and teachers.
That noise
And you like to hold your friend's hands and all that. You have to do so
Ma'am,
much,
and walk
correct?
and run, play.
Yeah, that's it.
Make voice. I miss Kashi since he moved.
You miss
to
and
America.
we miss you all more than that. You know that human touch. This is virtual. It's not so. We are making machines, but it does not give you the life in us. Correct? We just
Yeah.
sit in front
Does
of the
not- does
statue.
not give
At
the
least in this school, we
happiness.
teachers you are seeing us teachers. Later also you can see through the YouTube and all. At least better. But if you go to other schools, Vijayagiri and other schools, it's so boring. They just say something blah blah and they will go for business. Okay, like us, they never talk. So your teachers in the school,
Ma'am.
they're not like that.
Yeah,
but
it's
no?
better to have a
Yes.
teacher than
Some
a
fun. You have so many teachers. So
Ma'am.
everyone will talk to you, make some fun. No,
It's better to have a
Play each other, share our snacks, everything.
everything. Now you all are missing all those things. Huh? That is
Yeah.
okay.
I think when
Excuse
we
me,
grow
ma'am.
up, the technology will become big and big, but they cannot increase our smile, happiness, and all.
Yes, that's
And
now
you
it is,
need
yeah.
that is
So now
true.
this
Ma'am.
COVID, okay.
Ma'am.
1 minute, children, 1 minute, okay.
Ma'am.
Sure, okay. It's a call is cut. So that is what I'm trying to say that. Okay. So that's what technology is vast, but the people that are sharing and caring, loving is becoming less. Okay. Okay. Okay, children. So we continue. So we are here in harvesting.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a video of harvesting.
Yeah. Next class can we show, because then we'll get the time. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
I think who is that?
Ma'am, Manjima.
Manchima, you completed your seminar?
Ma'am, yes,
I
ma'am.
can
Oh,
to
okay.
ask that,
Okay.
ma'am,
I
about
think
seminar.
you can show it as
Ma'am, will
seminar.
we start the seminar?
Ma'am, I have been here sitting for long time getting excited.
Ma'am?
Uh-oh.
Ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am, where are you responding? No
Keep
responding.
quiet.
She's not responding. She's not responding. She's not responding. Out. Felix, stop this. Mute your audio.
Recording, please. You can unmute, but don't make noise.
Okay, children. So there was
Yeah.
one teacher came, so that's why. Okay, fine.
We were worried.
Okay. Okay, children. So now something we are now going to the last process of this. What is
Storing.
for it? Storing.
Storing.
Yes. Last steps.
Story. Story.
Very simple. Something
Ma'am,
we
only
do
this
for.
much for
Storing
Only this
means
much.
after harvesting, we will
We
collect all these
store it.
things and we will store in huge places. Then from there they will take into different shops, factories, and all that.
Sell
Okay.
it.
So
And
we
sell it.
call these storage places as godown. Okay. Where
Huh?
you go down. Godown. Go down. Okay. Not go down. It's just go down. Okay. So we call these storing places known as godown. Okay.
I can only see storing.
Yeah, only store.
Ma'am,
Because
Geo?
see, they are not simply is harvesting and keeping somewhere. We have to take care of that. You have done such a hard work. So you are planting for acres of land, no? So naturally, hello, please mute it. Who is that again? Mute it, please. Whoever is the sound, mute it.
Asking some doubt, ma'am.
Doubt later. Can you just mute it? Sarah, your audio is not okay. You want to ask, you switch off the video and then ask. Then your audio is little more okay. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show the go down spelling?
Godown. I am giving you. Okay, don't worry. Now you write story.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Have you wrote it?
Then you write from there. What do you mean by the story? Okay. Write down the food harvested. The food harvested from farms. Need to be,
There's a disturbance.
need to be kept in a safe place.
Ma'am, your sound is echoing.
Okay. I am not saying. Some other sound also coming in between. Who's that?
Yeah, ma'am, it's from Sarah.
I told her she's not understanding. What to tell you?
Ma'am, share the board. Ma'am, share the board.
So from few farms need to be kept in a safe place from okay, children. So godowns. Godowns means the storage places of food are known as godowns. Storing means the food harvested from farms need to be kept in a safe place from getting spoiled. Spoiled means it should not be wasted. Okay, so from the insects, from rats, some pests, from all those things we need to take care of it. So that process is known as storing. And godowns means the storage places. Did you write, all of you? Yes. Mm. Now, next, you can write, how do we keep food in godowns? Okay. How do we keep? Some sound is coming. Now it's echoing. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sound is coming, ma'am.
Okay. How do we?
After that, ma'am, can you read that sentence?
Yes,
first?
I will read. That's why I'm going to read. How do
Ma'am,
we?
your video is off.
How do we keep?
Your video is off.
That is some loose contact here.
Yeah, now okay.
Again, it will go. Okay. How do we keep food in godown? One, they should be kept dry. The dry means it should be nicely dried. There should not be water on that, or it should not be wet. Okay, rice and all. If you keep wet rice, what will happen? It will get spoiled. So they should be kept dry and airy. Airy means air should come. Okay, there should be a opening or put on some net or something like that in order to keep it dry and air should come. Otherwise, what will happen? You will able to see the fungus and it will grow. Some of the rice and it will turn into white color. There will be some kind of dust. You see, if you keep your onion and all for a long time, if you observe that there is a black thing on the skins of the onion. So that is because of it did not keep it in a place where we get air. So they should be kept dry and airy. A-I-R-Y. Second, keep away from insects, rats. Insects means small like flies and that kind of things. Rat you already know. Pest is small kida like you will see one black. Yeah. Sometimes even you buy rice from some of the shop. If you don't use the rice for a long time, if you look in the rice, you will see a black creature like
color parasite looking thing.
Yes. So usually in dal and all, if you don't use, your mother nicely wash it because there will be this pest in that. Pest is a small like dogs and you will get some bugs, no, like that. That type of small bugs will be there inside the rice and the dal and pulses. So that is we have to keep away from insects, rats and pests. So these are the two things. When you keep in the godown, you have to take care of these two things. They should be kept dry and airy. Keep away from insects, rats and pests. Okay. And now what is the last process? Already done. The farming is done. Now what is the next step?
We will go sell
selling.
We will sell it to other people and other people sell it to
so
us.
We will transport after storing nicely. We transport the rice from different state, maybe from Kerala to Tamil Nadu, then Tamil Nadu to Andhra, like that we will be transported, and some of them will be sold in small markets, big malls, small shops, all those things. Okay, dear. So these are the process of farming, and we are almost completed this chapter. But next class, I need you to have little more detail about it. So what I wanted,
point.
Yes.
There is one more point.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I will say one thing. You have to tell me it is correct or not.
Yes.
If for example, if we plant a chili plantation, so we harvest it and we go down it and we make chips and all. So the factory owners make put the chemicals and food colors mixed into that.
Yes.
Okay,
so
ma'am.
If it is so, that is nice. It is olden times what we used to do. We will buy the dry chilies. Okay, dry chilies we will buy, and we ourselves will go and give to the mills, and we ourselves will make it powder and we will keep it for cooking. Actually, that is more safe and healthy. Whatever you get it in the market, Eastern, Sarah's, Kitchen Treasures, so many brands, correct? In that majority they are putting the color. They add some kind of holy colors, some of the holy colors we use. Food colors, holy colors they will add. So it's the best thing. Nowadays we mothers, those are working, don't have time. That's why we are going and buying the packaged food. Actually, it is better that you yourself buy the chili, dry chili you will get in from the shops, and you yourself grind it using mixie, or if you buy 1 kg or 2 kg or something like that, we can go and make it powder in the mills. So that can be used
in my house, which we will use the thing to make it
Ma'am, in my house, it will be dried. My grandmother will put the dry chilies, and we'll go to the mill and
Actually,
powder and go.
our grandmothers
Stone.
still do, but we don't do, no. That's the
Ma'am,
reason.
ma'am,
grandfather
still do
this
this
because
Ah,
because there
yes.
is a milk.
But
I and my grandfather will go to